Hi HLP teachers, this is Tektosa Rob, and for our third OneNote class notebook video, we're going to talk about features that will help you or the students, get some work done. So the first one we're going to go over is the math feature. So let's say we're in our collaboration space or somewhere else, and we're going to go to draw. And I'm going to put in a problem here. Maybe like 2x plus 4 equals 12. And then if I were to highlight this and hit this math function here, it's going to open up the OneNote Math, and it's going to ink it to math. And we also have other options here, which are to maybe solve or graph. So let's solve both sides for x. And it solves it by, gives us the answer. So the students can check their work here without having to raise their hand and have you run around the room checking everyone's work. And if they're not sure how they did that, then they can also show the steps. So now it'll show the steps, and inside the steps, you also have the immersive reader function, which will then read to the students what the steps are so they can actually hear it. And then after that, if the students want to, they can even generate a practice quiz for more problems that are similar to the ones that you gave them. So they'll click generate a practice quiz, and they'll have to sign in. Should already be signed in though. Numbers of questions, so let's just pick 3, generate the quiz. And then when they generate the quiz, it should either pop up, sometimes the actual form pops up in their page, or I guess they can copy it and then go to their browser and paste that in. And then it should take them to their practice quiz, similar problems to what we had for them. So the next cool feature in OneNote is a ink replay. And what's neat about that is that, for example, you're seeing Mary's work here, and if it was like in math or some other class, I could actually rewind her work and see her writing things in real time. So for that, you actually have to go into your desktop app. You can't do it through 365. So if I open this in the app, and now when it pops up, if I go to replay, okay, now I select it, it plays back in order how she did her work. So I can see, okay, she did this, then she did that, then she did that, and we're good. So, So again, that might be good, especially for math teachers, to see exactly what their students are doing. See maybe where they made the mistake, and correct that for the students. You can add in a little comment on the side here. So then after I view their work, I could go in there and maybe make a little note, say here, check this, and then when they see their page, they'll have the notes right there for them. So again, very cool way to see their work and to give feedback on their work.